Hello, my name is Svetlana and this is LiveAlgarve Realty. And today we're looking at this beautiful villa. We are in Lagos, in Albordera, which is just above the marina on the hill, and it presents the most perfect ocean view and the city view of Lagos. The most exquisite location in the southern Algarve. Without further ado, let's have a look inside. So, welcome inside. This property has been built in 2003 with a total 358 meters square on a plot of 760 meters square, with a 3-bedroom, 1 optional and a 3-bathroom. As we enter the main level, where the heart of the villa resonates with the living, dining and kitchen areas combined, we feel it's a very warm and very open space, and this is because your eye travels and enjoys the view. From the beautiful terracotta Spanish handmade tiles to the high cathedral ceilings with the high quality wood and with completely glassed wall to allow to enjoy the perfect panoramic unobstructed view and the city view of Lagos. On this main level there are 2 bedrooms, an option to enclose 1 more, 2 bathrooms which are an extension of a beautiful authentic Portuguese style, with the sinks carved out of red marble stone, with the walls tiled with a beautiful beige marble, and you get a jacuzzi for your spa retreat. There is 1 more level in this villa, which is great for friends and family, and it's a 1-bedroom apartment with all the features as the main level has. As the villa is facing south, it enjoys plenty of sunlight throughout the day, and with being next to marina, next to golf, near the beach, and having a pool, trees, fruit trees, a garden, there is plenty of things to do around this beautiful villa. And the most important part, it has this magnificent ocean view. So what do you know, this is middle of February, 22 degrees outside, beautiful day. And on that note, I would like to thank you for taking this video tour with us. Please subscribe, like our channel, and if you would like to see this property for yourself, please give us a call or send us an email. It has been cheers from Algarve, and see you on the next one.